Hello guys, welcome to Easy to Make Design. In this tutorial series, we discuss about Adobe Photoshop CC. In previous videos, we discussed basics of layer panel. Today we'll discuss in detail. Firstly, we discuss Resize Layer. Change the size of content of selected layers to resize layers. In the layers panel, select one or more layers that contain images or objects you want to resize. Choose edit, free transform or control T to transform. A transform border appears around all the content on the selected layers. Hold the shift key to avoid distorting the content and drag the corners or edges until it is the desired size. Drag inside the transform border to move the content around the image. Drag outside the transform border to rotate the content. After that, click the check mark in the option bar on the top or press enter for window or return to macOS to finalize the change. Now we'll learn how to add images to a layer design. So bring more images into a design, each image on its own layer. In the menu bar, choose file, place embedded, navigate to an image file in File Explorer for Window or Finder in macOS and click place. Now I will show you how to unlock the background layer and how a spatial background layer works. To convert a background layer into a regular layer, firstly we have to unlock this layer. Because the background layer is locked, it can't be moved in the document window or rearranged in the layers panel. And some editing functions won't work on it. To change the background layer into a regular layer, click the lock icon to the right of the layer name in the layers panel. That's it for today's video. Please like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet for such more videos and press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Bye.